Hi, lucky me. Tonight, I'm going to have seafood dinner because my dinner's ready. And tonight, I'm going to eat outside my backyard. And this is my food on the table. As you can see, these are the seafood that I have. And tonight, I'm going to have Dungeness crab. I'm going to have chicken basil with green basil right there. I'm going to have Korean noodle with beef. I'm going to have a sushi roll with green cucumber because we make those with the sushi. And this is my whole plate of food. And especially, you know, this Dungeness crab right here and the shrimp and the mussel. Those are so good when you eat with green chili pepper, fresh and grown from the backyard, deep into the salt. So tasty. And so this is my food. So after I show you all this food, I'm going to sit down and eat. I'm going to enjoy my dinner. So please enjoy watching my video. Tastes so good. Look at the mussel. Mmm. It's slimy. Mmm. Alright, dinner. So yummy. Especially for backyard. So on right there, here's the sushi roll. Man, try this red one. Very red. Mmm. Hot. Okay. Alright, let's have some water. So, there's some fry outside here. It's cool outside though. Because it's windy. Yummy Asian food. Seafood. There you go. Korean noodle. Let's have some avocado. That's perfect. Try my green pepper. Hot. Nothing compared to home cooking. Look at this crab. So yummy. How do I break it? Oh. Juicy. Right, let's throw it here. So enjoy. I didn't bring some napkin. I need some napkin right now. Tastes so good for the crab. So good. Woo. perfect dinner tonight. There are this spot and shrimp. Tasty. Thank you for watching this short video of mine. I hope you enjoy watching this short video. I am certainly enjoy eating my seafood tonight. So please like and subscribe for more video in the future. Thank you again for your time.